Hello friends,
Hello friends.
we are for a day residing in Hridesh Resort that is in Ramnagar, and look at the view. Me and Gary decided to escape the daily routine and we entered the resort Hirdesh. This is its entrance. And through e-cart, we were taken to our room, which was 304. And this is our beautiful room. And the room was well planned, a spacious room with, many windows to look through the windows and to enjoy the beauty of nature. And overall it was a wonderful experience, and this is my first vlog, friends. So it was in my heart that why not, if I visit good places, why not record it and show it to you. And this was our executive villa. So friends, we have checked in Hirdesh Resort, Jim Corbett, Ramnagar, और ये मेरे पति हैं. The resort is very nice. The ambience, the architecture is very awesome, and this is their spa and salon center, and weather is also wonderful. It is beautifully planned resort, a gateway to Jim Corbett. Look at the view. It is a beautiful property, and the views are mesmerizing, and you can look at the sound. It is all natural and it is a wonderful thing. And he being my husband, look at the weather. Amazing property. I recommend everybody, if you are planning to come to Ramnagar, this is one resort that you must have on your checklist. So we were given this also as their gesture. So we are heading towards swimming pool now. चलो दिखाते हैं आपको कि यहाँ का स्विमिंग पूल कैसा है. ये भी है यहाँ पे हृदेश में. They are also having fun here like us. Way to the swimming pool. Here also we have these species. This is the swimming pool, and it has started raining. The weather is wonderful. Let's wait Gary to dive in. और ये गैरी ने मारी डाइव, और इसके साथ साथ एक इंसिडेंट हुआ. वी टू वर एंजॉइंग आवर सूप, और एकदम से एक बंदर आया पेड़ से और वो हमारी नूडल्स ही लेके भाग गया. ये भी हमने कैप्चर किया, और हम एक बार फिर आ गए रिवर साइड व्यू पे, बिकॉज माई हार्ट कैन नॉट गेट ऑफ फ्रॉम दिस व्यू दैट आई सॉ टुडे, एंड इट इज़ रियली अमेजिंग. The water level is comparatively high this time, and इसलिए इन्होंने आज हमसे साइन भी कराया है कि योर सेफ्टी लाइज इन योर हैंड. तो वो बिल्कुल सही है, बिकॉज सेफ्टी इज़ मच नीडेड इन अ सिचुएशन लाइक टुडे. अमेजिंग वेदर, अमेजिंग लॉन, प्रिटी वेदर, and the decision of coming to this resort was truly worth it. आपके हिसाब से हृदेश का एक्सपीरियंस कैसा है?
बहुत अच्छा एक्सपीरियंस है. मैं तो सबको यही कहूँगा कि यहाँ आके एक बार विजिट करें.
And what about the view that is behind you?
So awesome.
Amazing. Are you loving it?
Yeah.
Good. So this is the view, and here are the villas, riverside villas, and these are the most expensive ones. So
Yeah,
After this we ordered dinner and it was a delicious experience for us.
this is the
ये
night
है
view.
ई कार्ट से हमारी नाइट लाइफ इन द रिजॉर्ट। उसके बाद हमने डिसाइड किया कि चलो थोड़ा बाहर घूम के आते हैं एंड वी एंडेड हैविंग डेजर्ट इन चॉकलेट रूम। इसके बाद थोड़ा सा फ़ोटोशूट कराया सुबह उठ के और फिर किया हमने ब्रेकफास्ट इन देयर अनवाइंड रेस्टोरेंट।
थैंक यू सो मच, बाय बाय।
Thank you for watching.